Hi there. Welcome to this introduction on getting started with Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor is actually made up of several software modules, which they call applications. All these apps share a common database, so everything works smoothly together. Now, how you start Inventor depends a bit on your computer setup. But usually, if you're on a Windows system, you can just click the Start menu and select Autodesk Inventor, or click the icon right on your desktop. Easy. The screen layout and getting started toolbar. Once you open Inventor, the main window will pop up with the Get Started toolbar right there. This toolbar is super helpful. It has all kinds of tips and shortcuts. For example, if you click the What's New button, it opens your internet browser and shows you all the latest features added in this version of Inventor. I definitely recommend checking out everything in the Getting Started toolbar to familiarize yourself with the software. The new file dialog box and units setup. Alright, when you want to start a new CAD file, the first thing to decide is what units you want to work in, like millimeters or inches. Click the new icon in the Launch toolbar with your left mouse button. You'll see several template options depending on what kind of project you want to create. For example, .idw files are for drawings. .iam files are for assemblies. .ipt files are for individual parts. .ipn files are for assembly presentations. Once you've picked what you want, click Create to start your new file with those settings. The default Autodesk Inventor screen layout. The default screen has a lot going on, but it's all designed to help you work efficiently. You'll see pull-down menus, the Standard toolbar, the Features toolbar, the Sketch toolbar, the main drawing area, the browser area, where you can see your project's structure, and the status bar at the bottom. If you hover your mouse over any icon, a short text hint will pop up telling you what it does. You can also resize or move the Inventor window by dragging the edges or the title bar. Let's explore some key parts of the interface. File menu, top left corner. It has all the usual commands like Open, Save, and Export. Quick Access toolbar, right at the top, gives you shortcuts for file commands and undo/redo actions. Ribbon tabs and tool panels, these are organized by task, so you click a tab to see related tools. Online Help panel, offers lots of help topics and command references, very useful if you get stuck. 3D Model toolbar, contains tools to create 3D shapes like extrude, revolve, and sweep. Graphics window, the big space where your models and drawings appear. Message and status bar, shows helpful tips and information about what you're doing. Now, let's talk about something super important, the mouse buttons. Inventor uses your mouse a lot, so knowing what each button does makes a big difference. Left mouse button, this is your main button. Click it to select menus, icons, or objects in your drawing. Right mouse button, this one brings up extra options and often acts like the Enter key to confirm commands or finish steps. Middle mouse button or wheel, you can hold this down and drag to pan around your drawing, or scroll the wheel to zoom in and out in real time. That's a quick overview to help you get comfortable with Autodesk Inventor's interface and basic controls. Once you get the hang of these, you'll be ready to dive into creating your own 3D models and drawings. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll start sketching and making your first 3D part. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you next time.